the amount of money you're investing right now. Okay? And so we can actually use the compound interest formula to derive the formula that represents present value. And so the compound interest formula was A equals P times 1 plus I to the exponent n. And so in present value, because you're solving for the amount that you need to invest initially, what you're actually solving for is the value of P. So if I rearrange this formula, all I really need to do is divide both sides of the equation by 1 plus I to the exponent n. If I'm trying to isolate P, I need to get rid of whatever I'm multiplying it with. And the opposite of multiplication is division. And so the formula I get for present value is P equals A divided by 1 plus I to the exponent n. And you don't actually have to memorize this formula because as soon as you know the compound interest formula, you just need to rearrange the equation to find the principal amount, okay, or the present value. Okay, let's look at some examples. Here's our first one. And the first example says, how many times a year is interest compounded? Annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, or bi-weekly. So we want to figure out how many times a year each of these happen. And it's important to know these because it does change your interest rate. And it also changes your number of compounding periods. So if you're earning interest and it's compounded annually, then this is only happening once a year. If it's semi-annually, semi means twice, so twice a year. Okay, quarterly means 4 times a year, so you're earning interest 4 times a year. Monthly, well, there's 12 months in a year, so you're going to earn interest 12 times a year. If you're getting interest compounded weekly, there are 52 weeks in a year, so you'll earn interest 52 times, once at the end of every week. Daily, I know you might be thinking, what if it's a leap year? But typically we look at daily as 365 days, so you'd be earning interest at the end of every day, which is 365 days in a year. Bi-weekly means every other week, so because there are 52 weeks in a year, then bi-weekly means that you're looking at every other week, which is 26 weeks.